everybody. Woo. It is what, 4:46 in the morning, and I am driving to Sydney to pick up a car. I did tell you guys that, but what it is I haven't revealed yet, and I will show you guys once we get there. But yeah, still gotta go to the trailer place, pick up the trailer. Got straps in the back, 4 straps. But yeah, it's early as, and I'm tired, but we're going to get a car, so it's all good. But yeah, I'll see you guys when I get there in about 3 hours. So I've picked up the car. I'll give you a second to take a guess at what it is. It is another G35. It was a steal. So Brembo's, she's pretty rough really, but it's got Brembo's spares. It's actually got a single exhaust, tail light, all that stuff. Paint is, yeah, rough, very rough, but I don't know if you can see, manual gearbox. Doesn't run, apparently. Old buddy that we bought it off said he had it for about a week, and yeah, fixed an issue on it, drove it for about 2 days, and that was it. So yeah, it was listed for 3.5. We got it for 3 grand. So it's gonna help us very much, and yeah, gonna drive home. But that was the purchase of this R&R. Yeah, we're not too sure what we're gonna do yet. We're thinking about parting it out or just keeping the goodies that we want off it, but it's too cheap to pass up, so had to buy it, had to be done. So we're driving. We decided to go Putty Road. For anyone that knows that, it's God's gift on earth. Nothing but windy roads when you get to the good section. It's about 16 k's, I reckon, but yeah, it's pretty good, as you can see. Just stopped to have a pee. This is it. Big single that's apparently very, very loud. I don't think we'll get to hear it, but because I'm not putting it on my car. But yeah, this is the Putty. Plenty of rain out here. Got a tyre dump down there as well, but you can't really see. Plenty of sets out here if you need, fellas. But yeah, get back on the road. Yeah, there's some in the shed. Made it home. Long drive. Here it is. Get it unloaded. probably going to put it where the white G is. And I think we've decided on just stripping it, just because the body isn't that amazing. But yeah, strip it, get what we want off it, and go from there really. I might plug the OBD2 scanner up to it and just see what it says about the car. But yeah, 2 blue G's. 2 blue G's G. But yeah, we'll get this unloaded. Mine looks way better, bro. Just doesn't run. It's a shame it didn't come with spats, but it's got the Brembos and the gearbox, so can't really be too mad. Got some more wheels, I suppose, as well. Yeah, get it off the trailer. Okay, so back on the motor, on the RB. Obviously, as you've seen last night, got the cams out, both of them off. This is what my little tray's looking like. I let them soak. I left that like that last night. Let these soak in some penetrine. I just undone that one, so the next two should be all good, hopefully. But yeah, I'm glad I didn't just try and manhandle it last night and strip something or fuck something. I just stopped, put some penetrine in there. I let it soak for about pretty much since 9:30 last night to now, so a little over 12 hours. But yeah, definitely worth it. Don't rush things, especially this kind of stuff, because it's just going to cost you more money and time, and yeah, more of a headache. So yep, get into it. I was working in this show to Luca, so if you watch this video, yeah, oops. Everyone else, let me know if your girlfriend gets mad at you if you work in good clothes. Alright, now I've got a shirt on that she can't get mad at me for working in, so we're all good. We're all Gucci, son. Ooh. So I got all the bolts out in the head there, underneath the cams. Now I'm just going to go around. I'm going to detach anything accessory wise that's attached to the head. I've got a bolt there. I'll just take this turbo line off. I think that's an oil line or a coolant line. Coolant line it is. Take that off. That will have to come off. My power steering pump, that goes into the head there. And then what else do we have? There's a little bolt there. I'm not too sure if that does attach, but pretty sure it does. I'll undo that, and that one. That will sort of be about it, I'm pretty sure. But yeah, nearly got it off, so that's very good. It's pretty heavy, eh?
Zano's in Arbitro. You got it? You got it? Oh, bro, there's like not even any pistons left
what's
in
the
your
next
motor.
fill out?
Fuck, bro, she's fucked, eh?
Fuck. There's actually just like
Build up on that.
just a little bit of carbon on them, but I reckon you're fucking pretty good.
I reckon, eh? I reckon she's good to run at least 7 billion horsepower through the stock block.
There's no score.
It's got things that go up
Are
and
these
down.
stock pistons?
I have no idea.
That motor, that piston has a chip off of it. In the corner there. Like it's got a bit of pitting in the top of it. And over that side.
Yeah.
That's probably not good.
No, she's all good, bro.
And that's really not good. The rest of them do look really good. Maybe turn it over a bit.
Yeah, I was going to
What size
say
do you
turn
need
it
for
over.
that?
27. Up there, by breaker bars is there. Slave. I just told him the wrong socket size. Wait till he watches this.
Wait till I watch it.
Nah, he's actually thought it was the wrong one. Nah.
Fuck right
What an idiot, hey?
Bro.
What is this, your first RB25 or something, bro?
Nah, you've got low compression. This is really easy to spin.
Shit! It's not good, guys. Oh, the rest actually don't look too bad.
No, the rest-
That is a little mark.
Yeah.
A little mark there.
But this one, you've had shit break off of you.
Definitely. Yeah, this one is horrible. As you can see down in the corner there, just there, doesn't look the best. And there,
Here, I'll turn it over so they can look with it. Right at the bottom.
Oh.
Of the
other
stroke.
than that, we're all good, Brad.
Oh, Zoe.
It's all good, son. But yeah, that's my motor, guys. Pretty much the rest of it, I'm pretty much going to take it back to a bare block. Get the rest of all this stuff off.
Fuck, that one's
There's
deep.
not much left. Yeah, it's alright. It's all good. Like I said, 7 billion horsepower build.
You're lucky you pulled this out when you did.
But it still had at least 70 billion Ks left.
Bro.
But yeah, it's
No
it's all
way.
good in the hood.
It's
Jasper's just freaking out.
This guy's
He
motor.
freaks out about stuff, and it's silly.
Yeah, but your cylinder walls are not meant to look like that. That's like not good at all. That's like it's gonna have to be bored and oversized.
Tell
the
the
seven-
scary
the-
story.
It's gonna have to be bored and oversized. 7 billion horsepower.
He acts like that's a bad thing. This is good.
Yeah,
This
but
is
then you
good.
Get oversized piss.
Hey, what's wrong with that, man? By the way, I've never pulled a motor apart before, so
Other than that, you can get
Yeah.
a sleeve.
I'll do something.
Well, do you have any questions? I can teach you whatever you need.
Fine.
This guy, eh? God. These young fellas these days.
Holes, they're for the coolant to go through.
Yeah.
That hole, that's for your oil galleries. So
Yep.
that's where the oil squirts up in your head.
Yep.
Yeah. Is there any other questions you've got?
No, that's all you have.
No,
What's
well,
this?
the rest of it's
What's
pretty
this
simple.
swirly thing?
That?
Yeah, what's that?
I can't tell you that, mate.
You're a piece of shit.
That's your turbo oil lines.
Is it an oil line or a coolant line?
Well, it depends. So that one goes into the coolant jacket. That one goes
Yeah.
into the oil. So that's an oil line.
Well, there was
that's
another
coolant
one
line.
as well that I pulled off earlier.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
What's that one
what
for?
of it? The other one would be the oil return.
Yeah.
Yeah. Either that or was it the little blue boost line that you had going off of it into the
Nope.
boost tee
No, bread.
and into your Apache boost
It was a
controller?
coolant line.
It was
So
a
yes,
coolant
that is an oil feed and
I told you,
return.
bro. I
No, you
know
just got
this
lucky, cunt.
I did not get lucky.
Yes, you did.
No, you can tell because that one's got a bigger hole and that one's got a smaller hole. So obviously, coolant.
Obviously.
And you wouldn't
That's
need
not
anywhere
coolant.
near as
I
much.
just said I pulled the coolant one off.
That one is coolant, but coolant, oil. I'm not even capping right now.
Bro, you're lying, bro. I'm telling you, they're both for your blinker fluid.
Both of you for your blinker fluid.
Yeah.
See, look at this. The ribbing on this. There's meant to be 683 ribs, not 684. Wrong size.
Sorry, bro.
Not even the
Is
one.
that why
Not
it was
even
out
the
of
right
time?
one for the motor. Yeah, that was why it was out of timing. That's why it ran so rich, because it was just.
Okay, I'm gonna stop talking shit and actually do something now. Okay, so got the other G in the shed. It's just a blue G thing, isn't it? God. We got this hooked up, a little battery pack thing to pop the boot. There's nothing good in there, so got a little Stanley knife. That's about it. But we just tried to crank that soldier boy. ain't got nothing, so.
Where's your little lights?
Yeah. Look, guys. I got these. Got these 2 for $5.
2 for $5.
We're trying to get it to crank. I tried to start it, and yeah. Hold up. Does that slip over it? Does that slip over it? What a dog. I should have another jack handle that does that one right there. We have a jack handle that slips over breaker bars, Brett. Pretty sure that one, maybe?
Nah.
It does slip over a breaker bar. There is a certain breaker bar. I'm telling ya right now, Brett. It's that one.
This one. Oh yeah.
Yeah, try that. I know where everything is in this shed, Brett.
I know everything. Can you take that off, please? Can you put that on, please?
So guys, this is what you call teamwork. Can I have my breaker bar back? Thanks, bro. Will it crank? I don't think it will.
Shouldn't be that hard to sound, bro.
Yeah, I mean it should be kind of like, it is hard but not that hard.
No.
Go all the way back and I'll pull it.
Shouldn't really do that up.
120 kegs, just reefing on it. Oh yeah, no.
You're about to pull the engine out of the car.
Bro, she's rooted, mate. She's rooted.
Yeah, I don't reckon it's any good.
Nah, not at all.
That's unfortunate.
Oh well, rebuild it. 7 billion horsepower VQ. You heard it here, guys.
Along with the 7 billion
On Zandros.
horsepower. We're already rebuilding a VQ. We don't even need to need. We don't
What,
even
you think
need.
there's 1G?
We don't even need
You
to
think
need
there's
to
1G?
Well, I have obviously my 400 horsepower 350Z and my
This guy, eh? This guy
Jap
comes on
drifts.
my YouTube channel and
Jap
says
drifts.
this.
I'll see you on my channel, guys.
Go check him out, I suppose. Yeah.
It's just basically us two just talking to Arnie right now. That's it.
Just talking to Dad.
Yeah.
Hey, Arnie.
Yeah. Hey, Arnie. Thanks for watching this.
Thanks
video.
for watching. You're a real one. You really are.
You're the only
Yeah,
one
we
that
bought
watches
another
our
car.
videos anyway.
I'm actually, I'll message her right now.
Yeah, cool.
So I bought another car. But yeah, so no good. Doesn't crank, so I was going to mess around with it a bit if it did crank over, but it doesn't, so we'll just pull it out. Pretty much.
Yeah.
Pull this whole front rad support off.
Pull it out.
And boss, disconnect all the wires, all that hoo-ha. Whole gearbox motor out straight like that. Like it's nothing.
That
yeah.
fast as well.
That fast, like I'm gonna snap my fingers like this and it's gonna be gone. It's not working. Okay, so I'm just gonna drain the oil out of this real quick, and then I'll pull apart the rest of this side.
Ralph, get off of me.
And that will pretty
Ralph,
much
get
be it for the night on this.
Ralph, get off.
And I'll do something on that. Maybe, potentially.
Down.
But yeah, drain the oil, do the rest of this side, get into it. I think that's gonna be it for tonight on the motor. So might do a bit more on it tomorrow night, and yeah, I'm really enjoying just destroying, well, not destroying stuff, but pulling it apart, you know, a bit more hands-on learning it. So yeah, it's definitely a step forward to things, and yeah, we're gonna YouTube it all and see if my wrenching actually works. But yeah, thanks for watching, and probably see you guys in the next one.